Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make MrBeast in infinite crafts. So this is infinite tutorial. So how to do it? First we mix fire plus water. This makes steam. Now steam plus fire. This makes engine. Now engine plus steam. This makes train. Now engine plus engine plus engine. This makes rocket. Now rocket plus train. This makes bullet train. Now rocket plus rocket plus rocket. This makes satellite. Now satellite plus bullet train. This makes internet. Now earth plus fire. Now this makes lava. Now lava plus water. Okay. Now this makes stone. Now stone plus steam. This makes geysir. Now internet plus geysir. This makes YouTube. Now earth plus earth. This makes mountain. Now water plus water. This makes lake. Now lake plus mountain. This makes Zord. Now Zord plus water. This makes whale. Now earth plus wind. This makes dust. Now dust plus whale. Now dust. This makes baby. Now YouTube plus baby. This makes a YouTuber. Now lake plus lake. This makes ocean. Now fire plus wind. This makes smoke. Now smoke plus smoke. This makes cloud. Now cloud plus fire. This makes lightning. Now lightning plus ocean. This makes squid. Now squid plus internet. This makes squid game. Now squid games plus YouTuber. This makes MrBeast. So like this you can make MrBeast in infinite crafts tutorials. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.